Hi, my name is Sciinov, and I'm an assistant professor from the Department of Gerontology at the University of Haifa in Israel. I'm not only a gerontologist studying the process of aging, but also I'm a specialist physician practicing in the area of geriatric medicine and teach in both disciplines. It is with great pleasure that I, as a member of the organizing committee, invite you to partake in the upcoming Second International Summit on Aging and Gerontology to be held in London this summer on June the 15th and 16th, 2020. The first International Summit on Aging and Gerontology was held last year in Rome, Italy, and provided an international platform to allow the participants to present their thoughts and studies to others in over 30 papers and posters on the theme of understanding mechanisms and compressing morbidity in aging humans. The international theme this year will be in depth of aging. How will we relate to the social aspects of the aging process and its implication on society? What are the implications of cellular and molecular repair of age-related damage as the basis of therapies to bring aging under control? These are the goals of the Second International Summit on Aging and Gerontology. How do we relate not only to the past but also to the future? Is it enough to relate only to the diseases of the elderly population? But should we also relate to the healthy elderly population? Finally, can we discover means of delaying or preventing the aging process? A variety of topics will be discussed in the meeting. Topics such as aging and palliative care, aged care services, aging and cognition including dementia care, topics related to biological process of aging such as biological theories of aging, senescence in aging, molecular aging, and anti-aging research. And also the social aspects of aging will be discussed in sessions on cultural diversity in aging and anthropology, aging and leisure, and recreation and aging. This is just the tip of the iceberg which needs to be related to in studying the elderly population. So I hope to see you all this coming summer in London in June 2020 for a meeting as successful as last year's summit in Rome. Thank you.